So big day for me here. Finally had the willpower, time, well, let's just say mostly willpower, to fix my cords somewhat. So I used to have all my controllers here in a glass because it was easiest to get to. So what I did today, this morning, starting at like 8, I mounted a board behind everything and mounted all my controllers back there. It turned out pretty good. It's still a little bit of a mess, somewhat. It's not Billy Pipes quality, but for me, it's pretty damn amazing. So now everything sits there, easy to get to, and not at risk of getting water spilled on it every time I play around in the sump, because that happened a lot. Well, not everything is still alive, but it is. Do have a Wi-Fi power plug right there that runs the light for the Skimps algae reactor. It's pretty neat. I control the time. It's a timer basically, so I can control it to only run at night and do all that on my phone via the app. So pretty cool. Repiped the drain, had a bunch of unnecessary 90s and such, and I just double 45'd it into the sock. Still got to put a longer piece in there so that it terminates under the water level because it's too loud. Don't know if I ever discussed my Hugger, whatever the hell that's called. It's a controller for the 500 watt titanium heater that I'm running. It's been doing a really good job. I got my little cheap ass one here on the side just to have some sort of reference. I don't know which one to trust, but I'm gonna guess the more expensive one over the $1 one, but at least something to compare to. That is pretty much it. I actually took the entire sump out and cleaned it. Vacuumed out all the sand particles and different junk. So now I can relax a little bit. I don't have to get in here and be all stressed out. Oh, I also did put in the largest Jabo return pump that they have. I've had it the whole time, I just never put it in. I used a smaller one, but got that done also, so now I can have my water level up where it should be. So anyways, thanks for watching.